Welcome back to Right Now Trending TV. Before we get started, I kindly ask you to please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more videos. Now, let's get started. Momentum is shifting. Trump's desperate court filing. As Vice President Kamala Harris would say, can we be unburdened by what has been? It seems like we're constantly hearing about Donald Trump's lawsuits and convictions. This time, Trump has filed an appeal against the New York Attorney General civil fraud judgment, a case where he owes around $500 million due to fraudulent activities involving inflated property values. Trump's legal troubles have been persistent. For years, he has been inflating the size and value of his properties, lying to appraisers, lenders, and insurance companies to secure better terms. This deceit was exposed during a 44-day trial, where extensive evidence and testimonies demonstrated his fraudulent practices. Despite losing the trial, Trump is now appealing the judgment, which many view as a desperate and embarrassing move. The appeal argues that the trial court's decision ignored undisputed facts, refused to follow binding mandates, and imposed unlawful penalties. Trump's legal team insists that his business transactions were lawful and mutually beneficial to all parties involved. Yet, this stance is refuted by the trial's detailed findings and the testimonies of those affected by Trump's fraudulent activities. Moreover, Trump's appeal portrays the New York Attorney General's actions as a reckless power grab, exceeding statutory authority and violating established precedent. It claims that the legal proceedings have placed the New York legal system and business community at extreme risk, a view that many legal experts find unfounded. The appeal seeks to restore public confidence in the New York judicial system by reversing the trial court's decisions. In a broader context, this appeal highlights the ongoing momentum against fraud and dishonesty in public and private sectors. Figures like Vice President Kamala Harris, who has a history of prosecuting business fraud and tax cheats, symbolize this movement. Her recent speeches emphasize the importance of integrity and accountability in leadership, contrasting sharply with Trump's pattern of deflection and denial. Trump's history of inflating property values for personal gain has long been a point of contention. For example, he certified that the value of Mar-a-Lago was under $27 million to pay lower property taxes, while telling lenders it was worth hundreds of millions. Such discrepancies were a focal point of the trial, where witnesses testified to the various ways in which Trump manipulated financial information to his advantage. The trial judge, Justice Arthur Engoron, issued a detailed final opinion, highlighting the fraudulent scheme repeatedly presented by the witnesses. Despite this, Trump's appeal dismisses the trial's findings, alleging that the evidence actually showed his net worth far exceeded what was reported in his financial statements. This claim directly contradicts the testimonies and documents reviewed during the trial. The appeal also criticizes the trial judge's handling of the case, accusing him of refusing to adhere to higher court decisions and imposing draconian penalties. Trump's legal team argues that the case should have been handled in the commercial division, where it believes the charges would have been dismissed. However, this jurisdictional argument had already been settled, with the commercial division affirming that the case was appropriately before Justice Engoron. In their appeal, Trump's lawyers also argue that there were no victims or losses resulting from his actions, a point fiercely contested during the trial. the prosecution presented a strong case that Trump's fraudulent activities constituted a fraud on the marketplace, affecting consumers and residents of New York by creating an unfair business environment. As the appeal process unfolds, it is clear that Trump is determined to continue his fight against the legal challenges he faces. However, the evidence of his fraudulent behavior remains a significant obstacle. The broader legal and public scrutiny on his actions underscores the importance of transparency and honesty in business and leadership. The ongoing legal battles against Trump reflect a critical moment in American politics and law, where the principles of justice and accountability are being tested. Vice President Kamala Harris's focus on prosecuting fraud and promoting integrity in leadership highlights a stark contrast to Trump's approach. As the legal proceedings continue, the outcome of Trump's appeal will have significant implications for the broader discourse on ethics and legality in leadership roles. In conclusion, while Trump continues to present himself as a victim of an unjust legal system, the detailed findings of the trial and the testimonies of numerous witnesses provide a compelling case against his claims. The appeal process will be closely watched, as it not only impacts Trump's future, but also serves as a testament to the ongoing efforts to uphold justice and integrity in American society. What are your thoughts about this video? Jot your opinion down below in the comments. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more videos. Until next time, ciao.